Hello dear fans. How to convert weight to volume. It is possible to convert body weight to volume if its density is known. It is found for each specific substance or material according to a special table. Knowing the mass and density of any body, you can calculate its volume by finding their ratio. Necessary scales, table of substance densities, Mendeleev table, thermometer, pressure gauge. Instructions. Step 1. Determine the substance from which the body is made, the volume of which is being measured. Find its density using a special table. Find body weight using a scale. If body weight is measured in grams, then take density in g/cm superscript 3. If the body is massive enough, and its mass is measured in kilograms, take the density in kg/m superscript 3. To find the volume of any body, you need to divide its mass by the density V equals m/ρ. In the first case, the volume will be in cm superscript 3, and in the second in m superscript 3. Step 2. If you know not the mass, but the weight of the body, the force acting on the support or suspension of the body at rest in the Earth's gravitational field, then find the volume of the body through this value. To do this, use the table to find the density of the substance that makes up the body. In this case, take the density value in kg/m superscript 3. To find the volume of a body, divide its weight by 9.81, acceleration due to gravity, and density V equals /g rho. The result will be in m superscript 3. Step 3. If the mass of the gas is known, its volume can be found using the Clapeyron-Mendeleev equation. It is true for the vast majority of real gases. Determine the molar mass of the gas to be measured using the periodic table. Consider the fact that the molecules of most simple gases are diatomic. If the mass of a gas is measured in kilograms, then the molar mass should also be obtained in kg/mol. If in grams, then, respectively, in g/mol. Step 4. Measure the temperature in Kelvin, absolute temperature, of the gas with a thermometer. To do this, measure the temperature in degrees Celsius and add the number 273 to it. Use a manometer to measure the gas pressure in pascals. To find the volume of a gas, find the product of its mass by 831, the universal gas constant, and the gas temperature. Divide the result obtained by the molar mass of the gas and its pressure V equals mRT/MP. In this case, the gas volume will be measured in m superscript 3. Thanks for watching.